Hey guys, last stop. This is we transited from Queen City Creek MRT to here, Rakanon, and we are going to walk to the development. So let's go. Actually, we could have chose to take a Grab down. It would probably be a lot faster, but then you see the point of the tour is to really show why some projects does have certain geographical advantage by the mere fact that it's located within a walking distance to BTS or train station, and why people would prefer to stay there because of traffic, convenience and whatnot. Okay, shall I try holding the camera another way? Okay, let's try. Okay, you're looking at the back of my head. Okay, so this is a community mall. Sorry, I can't remember the name. Oh, Summer Hill. We are back along the popular Sukhumvit Road lah. So the BTS. Okay, so the show fair is here. Let's go. Oh, it's quite crowded. Weekend. Okay, so this is Ideo Sukhumvit Rama for the developer is Ananda. Okay, I'll shorten the stick, if not blocking other people. Okay, actually weekend if you visit the show flat about this kind of price range, you see a lot of locals checking out lah. I mean, they're probably buying a house for themselves. Wow, your drinks. This is the Ideo Sukhumvit Rama 4 show unit studio, 29.5 square meters. Just walk you through a bit. Okay, washroom. Okay, the show flat used to be on the actual site, but I think it's going to complete soon, so they needed the space to complete some of their other construction, so they move it here, right next to the BTS station. Alright. What's with using retro cameras as design? I mean, just now the other condo also. Okay, anyway, that's all.
Somewhere around here, between City, right? So in fact, if you take a Grab or car down from the previous condo, 5 minutes you will reach here already. So in terms of location is very good. You cut through all the jam along Sukhumvit Road. Okay, then again along Sukhumvit Road, you are here at Kamai, and over here there is a...
This is Ideo Sukhumvit Rama 4. We are at the sales gallery. This is the show unit, 1 bedroom plus 44 square meter. Okay, everybody is occupied. There's nobody here, so let me show you. Come in, kitchen on the right. Okay, the connecting bedroom and the kitchen, the washroom. We're going from the other side. Okay, it's actually very spacious lah. So they, well, for the show fact, they did another bed to show you that this could be a bedroom, but you can do it into a study room or something. So basically, you have a room. But this is the actual bedroom, big one, master bedroom. It's only one washroom. Okay, so that's about it. Let me just do another round in case. Right, master bedroom. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Alright, we are now really going to the actual site. So that was a sales gallery. They are completing soon, so that's why they shifted it here. Maybe it's more visible to passerby also. Okay, but now we are going just to topo you. This is Sukhumvit Road. This is the adjoining road down to Rama 4. This is the Summerhill offices / retail mall. Let's see what it brings.
The last time we walked here.
Yeah, I walk from behind. So on my left, there's another development, Knightsbridge Space Rama 4 coming up. So BBQ boy, okay. So the good thing about this project on this part of the Rama 4 is it's actually coming to the tail end, and then you know, like some of the other developments along Rama 4. Wanting to be next to the train transport might be an issue. So for this one, you can see that it's actually a rather manageable walk, about 250 meters or so, and then we will reach the actual development site. There we are. It's almost there. %80 done. So how long did we take? 5 minutes or so. So this project will be ready targeted end of this year, 4th quarter. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.